building my dream trading setup, unboxing the Zbronic monitor, and full setup costs revealed. Hello guys, and welcome back to my new episode. Today is an exciting day because we are in the process of building our dedicated trading setup. For this setup, I decided to purchase a monitor from Zbronic, and I ordered it from Flipkart. Guys, I'm happy to say that the monitor has finally arrived. So, in this video, we are going to do a full unboxing. I'll show you what the monitor looks like, how we set it up, and by the end of this video, I'll also reveal the price of this monitor and the total cost of my entire trading setup. So, let's get started with the unboxing experience. Finally, we have the monitor out of the delivery box, and I must say, the packaging is quite impressive. The monitor itself is nestled securely inside a thick layer of thermocol styrofoam to ensure it doesn't get damaged during transit. Inside the thermocol, along with the monitor, they have also packed all the essential accessories. First, we have the monitor stand. It feels very sturdy and robust. Here's the base of the stands, and this is the second part that attaches to the monitor. They fit together perfectly to create a solid foundation. Along with the stand, we get the necessary connecting cables, including the cable to connect the monitor to your device and the power adapter to give the monitor juice. Let's remove the thermocol and get the monitor out to take a proper look. Music. All right, let's peel off this protective cover. And there it is, our shiny new monitor right in front of us. Guys, it looks amazing. The screen is gleaming and the design is very sleek. Let's flip it around and look at the back panel. The back looks just as stunning as the front. Look at these red accents on the white body. They look fantastic and give it a very sporty, premium feel. Even from the back, this Zbronic monitor is a beautiful piece of tech. Now, let's assemble the stand and see how it looks standing upright. We'll also check how powerful and stable the stand is. Okay, so the stand is attached and the monitor is now standing on its own. Looking at the front, you can see the Zbronic brand name at the bottom, which adds a nice touch to the overall aesthetic. So that wraps up the unboxing of the Zbronic panel. Setting up the trading desk. Now that the unboxing is done, it's time to place this new monitor on my trading table. I'll set it up alongside my existing gear, and then I'll show you what my complete trading setup looks like right now. Let's take a quick look at the ports available on this monitor. On the back side, you get an HDMI port, a VGA port, an audio in port, and the power connection point. So, you have all the essential ports you need to connect your laptop or CPU. Here is the power button for the monitor. When you turn it on, it has a red power light that glows, and it looks pretty cool in person. The complete trading setup and its costs. As you can see, we have the new Zbronic monitor as the centerpiece. To go with it, I've also purchased a Zbronic brand mouse for my laptop. In the future, I plan to get a Zbronic keyboard as well. And eventually, I will build a dedicated CPU to make this a full-fledged workstation. That will really complete the setup. For now, here's how my trading setup looks. Music, the monitor, Zbronic. This is our new addition. As I mentioned earlier, the price of this monitor was listed at around $12,000. However, I paid using my credit card and got a great deal. I ended up getting it for $9,500. The desk computer table. You can see the table in front of you. This is a computer desk that I purchased secondhand. It's in good condition and is perfect for my needs. The price for this table was just $2,000. The laptop. There's the laptop you see connected to the monitor. I originally bought this laptop back in 2019 for editing my YouTube videos. At the time, I didn't use it very much. However, now I'm using it heavily for my trading. The performance isn't the absolute best, but it gets the job done for now. Its price back in 2019 was $31,000. Internet connection, Airtel Wi-Fi. I was facing some issues with my internet connection, which is a big problem for trading. So I recently got a new Airtel Wi-Fi connection installed. I paid $3 for a 6-month plan. And the speed I'm getting is around 40 Mbps per second, which is pretty solid. Other accessories, I use 2 phones. One is the phone I use for trading and general use, and the other is the one I'm using to shoot this video. I also have the Zbronic mouse I mentioned, so if I add up the core new components for the trading setup I'm building right now, monitor, 9,5 second-hand desk, 2.6, month Wi-Fi, 3. Total, for this upgrade phase, $14,500. If we include the laptop's original cost, though it's older, the total investment in the tech for this space is much higher. what's next. Guys, take a look at the setup and let me know in the comments what you think about it. One thing that's clearly missing is a good, comfortable chair. Right now, I'm managing with a normal chair, but I plan to get a proper ergonomic one very soon. I also haven't bought the CPU yet. As I said, I'm running everything off my laptop for now. Before I forget, I want to mention that we have started a new series on this channel. In this series, we will be buying shares and, more importantly, understanding the logic behind why we are buying them. So, if you want to learn about trading and investing, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You'll get a lot of trading-related videos coming your way. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and found the information useful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends as much as possible. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so now and press the bell icon so you get notifications for all our future videos. First, thank you so much for listening. See you in the next one.